So hello everyone and welcome to my channel Nakul Kumar Official. Today I am going to talk about work and energy. Work is done by a force when this force acting on a body produce some displacement of the body in its own direction. What is a work? Work is said to be done when a body or object move with the application of external force. We can define work as an activity involving a movement and force in the direction of the force. Formula of work: when we kick a football, we are exerting an external force called F, and due to this force, kick the ball moves to a certain distance. The disposition of ball from position A to B is known as a displacement. This work is said to be done and can be calculated as work is equals to force multiplied by displacement is equals to F multiplied by D. The unit of work is joules or nm. Factors affecting the work done: first, amount of force applied; secondly, displacement of the object produced by the applied force. What is energy? Energy is the ability to perform work. Loss of conservation of energy. Energy can neither be created nor be destroyed. It can only be transformed from one kind to another. The unit of energy is same as the work, joule. Energy is found in many things and thus there are different type of energy. First, kinetic energy. Define it from book to book. Secondly, potential energy from book. The energy in motion is known as kinetic energy, depend upon speed and mass of the object, whereas potential energy is the energy stored in object and it is measured by the amount of work done, depend upon height and mass of the object. Unit of energy: the SL unit of energy is joule, J, which is named in honor of James Percott Joule. Now I will show a video. Now I hope that you have been seen the video. Now I will talk about kinetic energy versus potential energy. What is kinetic energy? Kinetic energy is the energy an object has because of its motion. What is an potential energy? Potential energy is energy that is stored or conserved in an object or substance. You can think of it as energy that has the potential to do work. Forms of energy: first, mechanical energy; second, chemical energy; third, electric energy; fourth, sound energy; fifth, magnetic energy; sixth, nuclear energy; seventh, gravitational energy; eighth, thermal energy; ninth, heat energy. First, what is mechanical energy? Mechanical energy is the energy that is pushed by an object due to its motion or due to its position. Mechanical energy can be either kinetic energy, energy of motion, or potential energy, stored energy of position. Everyday example of mechanical energy. Mechanical energy is one of the only type of energy that is easy to see. If something is moving, it is using mechanical energy to take a look at the source of mechanical energy that you are likely to find in the home. First, turning a duck knob. Secondly, breathing in and out. Third, hammering a nail. Fourth, riding a bicycle. Fifth, sharpening a pencil. Sixth, using kitchen appliances. Seventh, listening to music. Eighth, typing on a keyboard. Ninth, driving a car. Tenth, exercising. What is heat energy? Heat is defined as the flow of energy from a warm to cooler object. The classification of heat is done on the basis as hot and cold. Heat energy examples: an ice cube has some heat energy and also a glass of lemonade. If you put the ice in lemonade warmer, the lemonade will transfer some of its heat energy to ice. Put differently, the ice, metal, and the water and lemonade will be of the same temperature. Chemical energy. What is chemical energy? Chemical energy is the energy stored in the bond of chemical compound like atom and molecules. The energy is released when a chemical reaction takes place. Usually, once chemical energy has been released from a substance, that substance is transformed into a completely new substance. Example of chemical energy: coal, natural gas; wood, photosynthesis; food, petroleum; cellular respiration. Chemical energy in everyday life. We know that plants need solar energy to produce sugar and carbon dioxide to water sugar. Water and carbon dioxide say together the chemical bond that hold the chemical together. For instance, all sugar consists of oxygen, carbon and hydrogen. Atom held together by chemical bond. The atom do not connect together automatically. Rather, some energy is required to make them stay together. Plants use solar energy to put the hydrogen, the carbon and the oxygen atoms as a whole in the form of sugar. This is a suitable example of energy transformation where energy is transformed from one form to another. Here, solar energy is transformed into chemical energy and prevent from falling apart. Fourth, light energy. Light energy is a kind of kinetic energy with the ability to make type of light visible of human eye. What is light energy? First, energy associated with light. Secondly, the energy travel in waves has some electrical and some magnetic properties. Third, example, visible light, ultraviolet radiation, microwave, infrared radiation. Fifth, sound energy. Sound energy is a form of energy that can heard by a living being. What is sound? Sound is a form of energy that can be heard and travel in waves. When matter vibrates or moves back and forth very quickly, a sound is made. Sound waves can travel through solid, liquid, or gases. Example: when a school bell ring, part of bell with X creating sound. Electric energy. For some example of electrical energy. First, in a car battery, a chemical reaction results in the formation of an electron which possesses the energy to move in electric current. These moving charges provide electrical energy to the circuit in the car. Lighting during the thunderstorm is an example of electrical energy. What we see, the lighting is nothing but electric discharging in the atmosphere. Third, electric cells generate electric energy and use it again predictor for defense. Like a battery is a chemical energy, then it convert electric energy into wire, then it come into heat energy. After that, the bulb light will be glow. Laws of conservation of energy. First, energy cannot be created or destroyed. Secondly, energy may change form but the total amount remain the same. So I have done with my PPT. How do you like this PPT? Share in the message box. Like my video, share my video. Thank you and subscribe my channel.